Hey guys, welcome to another video of Run Adventures. Today I'm just going to be doing a little quick comparison on the GoPro 12 versus the GoPro 11. The GoPro 12 has a max lens mod 2.0 and the 11 has the max lens mod. Let me know in the comments what one you think is better. I'm just doing a quick little video on the sunset out here in California. I've been out here now for about 2.5 days and it's been a great 2.5 days. And you just gotta wait to see what videos will be coming up soon, because I'm thinking about getting one. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick one on stabilization. I'm just gonna take a quick run down the beach a little bit and let me know what one you guys think is better. So yeah, I found a good spot. I'll just go this way. It'll work. It's here. Let me go for a bit. That's here. Let me know in the comments what one you think had better stabilization. Oh, it's cold. And I'm also doing a quick video just on like sound. Let me know in the comments what one you think sounds better. This is just a video on like quality of the GoPros, not so much on the battery length or anything. They both are running the same exact SD card, same exact battery, both roughly around the same percentage. So let me know what one you guys think was better. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.